Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to delete a Google family group. So let's say you're a guardian or parent who created a family group and it's not going as you planned. You want to delete your Google family group. Here's how you can do it quick and easy. Now, if you're using the Google Family Link application, you can simply just tap on your profile here and then you see manage your Google account. Scroll down here and you see family group. Scroll down here and you're going to see delete family group. Now, if you're not using the Google Family Link, you can simply open your browser and in the search section here, you want to search for Google accounts. Now you find Google account here. The reason why you're seeing two on my screen is because Google has an extra account for this for my country. Now tap on any option here and it will bring you here. On this page, you want to scroll down here and you're going to see family group. Tap on this and then scroll all the way to the bottom. Here you see delete family group. Now on PC, you want to do the same. Open your browser and search for Google account. Click on any of the option and then it will bring you here. Here you want to click on family group. And then under family group, you want to scroll down here and you see delete family group. Now click on this. On any device you're using to do this, you'll be asked to log in into your Google account. Now on the next page, you see changes that affect the group. So any shared content or shared services will no longer be available to your family members. Any pending purchases made by a family group member will be charged to your family payments method. You can only switch to another family group once in 12 months period. Everyone in your family group will get an email to explain that they've been removed. If you wish to proceed, simply tap on delete in this section and this will delete your family group. Now only the group manager can do this, as when any member logging into the account, they will only see the option to leave family group. Members will get email immediately notifying them that they've been removed from the family group. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.